Hey, this is Justin. It is Tuesday morning. Going to go through Product Hunt and just talk about some of the ideas here that may potentially be inspiring to be able to work through. So let's just take a look here. What we're going to do is we're going to go through the products of the day, doing this live on a podcast to see what might be inspiring to be able to get started with. Okay, so the first one, you can hear the puppy in the background. Startup valuation S. Check startup valuations and multipliers in your industry. That's interesting. Curious if it's actual startups that they're I'm going to grab to the screenshot. Yeah, it's actual startups would be a good data source for potential consulting gigs or that things. Retention X AI for Shopify. I'm not quite sure. I don't quite particularly have a use for that. I understand what it is. Micro Acquire, a free anonymous startup acquisition marketplace. That's interesting. That's interesting to be able to acquire. And actually, the flip side of that is to be able to sell startups pretty quickly. That could get really interesting. So I want to check out Micro Acquire and see what's there. Do.work 2.0, team collaboration, feedback, and knowledge base. Okay, cool. In that space, there needs to be a lot to be able to differentiate yourselves from something else. Testimonial, collect video testimonials in the simplest way. That's interesting. Text testimonials look less authentic. Testimonials helps you collect video testimonials from your customers so you can better promote the product. You can share the link and your customers can record the videos on any device. No login required. That's cool. That's actually really cool. Build a data app and win up to $250 in global exposure. The Snowflake Startup Challenge. That might be actually an interesting one to be able to win up to $250,000 in global exposure. Innovate. Snowflake Startup Challenge brings together early stage startups to build applications and products in Snowflake Data Cloud. The startup compete and the winner may receive up to $250 investment. Timeline November 17th. Deadline to submit application. Up to 10. Register your interest to have access to an extended trial with $400 in credits, developer resources, and support. That's an interesting one, actually. Yep, the startup trial becomes very interesting. What else do we have here? Okay, the Chart Mogul iPhone app. Check your SaaS metrics on the go. I don't have a SaaS right now, so get console errors right on your page as toast. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Simplify tracking progress in your startup. Unubu Phase 0. Let's see what they got here. Makes it easy for you to track progress by bringing metrics from your favorite tools into one place. Oh, that's cool. Stripe, MailChimp, Mixpanel, Twitter. Yeah, mentioned. That's interesting. There might be other products that start to accomplish this. Okay, open source stash, the best open source alternatives for your next maker product. Cool. Tech expert video calls, on-demand video calls with Hacker Noon writers. I'm not sure what Hacker Noon is, but that's interesting. Hello, we'd like to book a call with a technology expert. Hacker Noon starts a marketplace for on-demand video calls with experts in programming, cryptocurrencies, UX, remote work, outer space, startups, and futurism. That's cool. We'll start a marketplace for on-demand video calls. Got 60 people that are live in there. Interesting. Product Hunt Wrapped. Maker or hunter, see how you add it to the PH community. Hey, yes, you. You're part of the product and community, whether you're making those great products, hunting the amazing ones, upvoting the ones you spend. See how you impact it. Oh, that's cool. So it's like similar to what, I got to feed the puppy in a second here. Similar to what Spotify did, but with Product Hunt. That's a cool one. I think that's an important one. I'll be there with you once. Fast Disk-Bake Analyzer with smart visualizations. Discover the power of intermittent fasting. Fastival. Fully featured particle system designer for the web. Not sure what that means. Dancing SATA FM, an endless mix of Christmas songs. Hashtag Slayer. Reach more ideal clients with optimized Instagram hashtags. Okay. Responsible strategies to help build trust and retain users early on. Build trust. All right, that's cool. Let's see. What are the strategies? Responsible list. A launch list for makers wanting to gain user trust early on and improve the retention rate. 50 plus strategies. That's actually interesting. I like these products that are like just, Yeah, simple products. Zcode, simple doc to create and launch websites without code. Hey, you. All right, we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat in a second here. Hey, with video Q&A and shout outs with your followers. That's cool. Track your bucket. Yeah, no, I think it's just interesting to be able to do something like that. The question is also, do we need to go to a separate place to do it? Track your bucket list and achieve your goals. Bucket, love it. Discover cities paying remote workers to move there. Remote.io. Oh, that's interesting, actually. Yeah, just to look at some of the ones maybe that are close to this area. Diana, guided meditation sessions in an immersive app. All right. Secure Pickup Reimagined. I don't know what Pickup is. The first completely contact-free system for bag pickup has been created. Secure Pick enables touch-free retrieval of both standing and hanging bags, a capacity that is crucial during the pandemic. I don't know what bags are. Product help you pick up your goods without meeting anyone. Okay, it's goods, I guess it is. Okay. And then Doers Local post-COVID travel tools for the cities and regions. All right, interesting. So the ones I'd like to some of these video tools. I think they're interesting. Be able to get the tech experts with video calls. That's something I could use. The power of intermittent fasting is cool. Responsible. I like the strategies to help build trust and retain users early on. Let's dig into that one a little bit. It's a website. Let's see how the website is built. The best way to build responsible products and win customers, get full access, free sample. Yeah, it's a unlimited access to our list, 37 trust, filter by trust, free sample, which you can get. Yeah, all right. It's an Airtable. They're charging $29 for, which could be interesting, but yeah. Interesting model to be able to work with. Okay, probably better to do a freer version of this, but yeah, we'll play with that one right now. All right, thanks a lot for listening. Have an amazing day.